Hi folks, I wanted to show you this old house. Unfortunately, entire history of big family probably has remained in the past, and who knows where are the owners of this house, if there are any owners alive at all. Many houses in the Rhodope Mountains, Bulgaria, are like that. They are abandoned. A lot of the houses even don't have any living owners. Many often, of course, there are too many inheritant folks that cannot split, like 20-30 inheritant folks that cannot split such a small house to 20 or 30 parts and sell it. Also, when it's destroyed, it's almost unsellable. But of course, many people in the Rhodope Mountains sell such houses. A little bit destroyed or almost destroyed, they sell the land altogether with the house. But you can see amazing stone masonry work, and this is leaning here. Most probably the coming spring is gonna fall. And this is Lilekovo village in the Rhodope Mountains in Bulgaria. One of the most amazing villages with steep mountain slopes and amazing houses, traditional Rhodope Mountains houses like this. Over there is Chepelare City, and Chepelare City, behind it is the Pamporovo ski and snowboard resort. And very in the distance you can see the tower of Snezhanka over there, which is the jewelry. This is a TV tower with a restaurant on the top. 167-meter is the tower. There is a lovely view over there. This is coming from the Lilekovo village. Also, there is a tap water. And let me show you the other part of the view around. And this house is one of my favorite Rhodope Mountain houses, because I like how they build it, although it's almost destroyed. I like the colors of the stones, the stone masonry work, and the tiling on the roofing. And most of all, I like the spot where this house is located. This must have been the last house from this Lilekovo village you see in the distance. And the lovely yard fencing, and of course the view from the house. You can see the house, and the view is towards Lilekovo village, towards Chepelare and Pamporovo resort. And now you can see around the lovely, amazing forest, colored in the spectacular colors of the autumn. You can see the forest and the distance, the rock formations of the Rhodope Mountains, and it's just almost 360 view of this house. Here is the house again. So it's incredible. Folks, those of you who don't know me, my name is Hristo and I'm from Bulgaria. I'm an artist and an artisan from Bulgaria. But what I love doing most, except arts and crafts, is also going to the Bulgarian mountains. Sometimes hiking alone, sometimes with my cousin Stasi or some other friends. And my favorite thing is also to make videos and show to you these our spectacular Bulgarian mountains. Please, if you like the videos I post, and if you love mountains, and if you're interested in other adventures and hiking trail videos from me, and also showing you amazing villages and places, amazing rock formation, mountain slopey ridges, high steep rock formations, please subscribe, like and share this video, and comment below also what you think. And here is in memoriam of some folks, Juchkovi, part of the Juchkovi family. They made this amazing tap mountain, pure mountain water. And check this thing here, like a flower pot thing. This is nearby this house I showed you just now, and they made a lovely fencing also from one single tree trunk. You can see there are blackberries They are small and not already, still not grown, and some rose hips, of course. It's full of rose hips. It's full of blackberries, of red berries, I mean raspberries. And check these colors up there, these stones, and the steep mountain is just spectacular, folks. Let me show you a little bit more. Please check my next video for the road ahead. I'm gonna show you now.